I'd like to invite Dr. Adu-Gyasi Dennis to read a citation and also take it from there. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and it's an honor to get this citation to the Minister of Health, Honorable Kwaku Agyemang Manu, and I'm privileged to be reading this, and there is no gainsaying the fact that the contribution had been enormous. I was part of a team that during the COVID, we were reviewing within the West African region the capacities that were available. And interestingly, at that time, Nigeria, only 2 states were doing COVID tests. When, by the collaborations we had and the discussions we have all had, we were able to expand to almost the 56 that we started. So people were quite surprised that Ghana, as small as the population we had, we were able to have that capacity and expansion. And I think that it was a great collaboration we all had, and the minister really supported. So there is no way we can deny that fact, the contribution we have had in the medical laboratory science practice. We celebrate your contributions to the development of Ghana and the health sector in particular. Your leadership skills and competence made you vice chairman of the later and the substantive chairman of the Public Accounts Committee of Parliament, where you distinguish yourself and excel by unearthing several financial malpractices in Ghana's public accounts. Your exemplary leadership got you recognized as an executive member of the West African Association of Public Accounts Committee, the Commonwealth Association of Public Accounts Committee, and the African Region Public Accounts Committee. Your dedication and love for duty saw you serving as the board chair of the Joint United Nations Program on HIV/AIDS, headquartered in Geneva. No wonder you were recently elected as an alternate member of the Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunizations, which is worth celebrating. You are among the few Africans to serve on the executive board of the World Health Organization, representing the interests of Ghana and other African countries. Your unprecedented leadership led to the employment of the largest number of health workers in the country in our recent history, and expanded access to primary health care in many remote areas of the country, serving as the longest-serving Minister for Health. Your leadership provided exemplary leadership in navigating Ghana through the turbulent periods of the COVID-19 pandemic. Under your leadership as a health minister, the medical laboratory sector has received an unprecedented retooling with modern molecular equipment and many more you plan on executing for us. On the occasion of our 50th anniversary, the Ghana Association of Medical Laboratory Scientists recognizes you and celebrates you for your altruistic, dedicated leadership and service to Mother Ghana. This is presented on the 13th of October 2023 on the occasion of GAMLS 50th anniversary Deba. We want to call on the President, Dr. Abu Abdurrahmani, and the Director, Allied Health, will join up as Minister stands up, and I think we will pull the chair a bit back. If it gets down, we won't get the pictures well. Honorable Amuzu, Thomas Jampoma, and all the past presidents around, please join up and let's do, Mr. Tete Donko. So their portrait is out there, so you see most of them. All the past presidents of GAMLS, please quickly join up and let's have this presentation done, supporting the president to do that. Do we say this is given in the name of the Father? So that we are not continuously silent. So these are the past presidents of GAMLS supporting the current president to do the presentation to the Minister of Health. We can do it better. We can do it better. How
beautiful. How beautiful. These are living presidents. Yes.
Thank you very much, Honorable Minister. Thanks to you all, President and past President.
Thank you very much, our noble presidents. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause even as they take their seats.
I've been humbled. And in such occasions, I always try not to even open my mouth to say nothing. I only know the reason. I get so passionate and very emotional. And if I decide to talk, you see tears flowing on my cheeks. But that is not what I want to do today out of the excitement that I have. But I'm happy that I've been recognized by the GAMLS. I will continue to say thank you for recognizing what I've been doing along the lines. I'm very grateful. And I thank you all so much for the citation. Thank you.